Good day, everyone. My name is Janel Jan El Mercado, and today I want to share with you why teaching is one of the most vital and rewarding career paths you could ever choose. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you something that I hope will resonate with you long after we finish today. Have you ever stopped to think about who has shaped the person you are today? Maybe it was a family member, a friend, or someone you admire from afar. But for most of us, there's at least one teacher who play a crucial role in our journey. Some people aspire to be doctors. They dedicate their lives to healing bodies and saving lives. Others want to be engineers, using their skills to build roads, bridges, and buildings that connect and support our communities. These are incredible callings, and our world depends on them. But teachers do work that forms the very foundation of all these professions. They don't just build structures or heal illnesses, they build people. They shape young minds, nurture curiosity, and plant seeds of potential that grow into the leaders, innovators, and caregivers of tomorrow. Today, I am not here just to talk about teaching as a way to earn a living. I am here to encourage you to see it as a career that is deeply meaningful, incredibly powerful, and capable of transforming not only individual lives but entire communities and our nation. Because teaching is so much more than a profession, it is a lifelong mission that touches every corner of human progress. And now, let's move on to understanding the role of a teacher. When we close our eyes and imagine a teacher, many of us picture someone standing at the front of a classroom, writing on a blackboard, explaining a math problem, or reading from a textbook. While delivering lessons is certainly part of the job, this image only shows a small piece of what teachers actually do each day. Beyond the curriculum and lesson plans, teachers serve as trusted guides for students navigating the challenges of growing up. They help young people work through friendships, issues, cope with family concerns, and overcome self doubt. When a student feels lost or confused about their future, a teacher is there to help them find their way. Teachers are also relentless cheerleaders. They celebrate every victory, no matter how small. When a struggling reader finally finishes a book on their own, when a shy student finds the courage to present in front of the class, or when someone who once hated science discovers they love conducting experiments, and when students face setbacks or failures, teachers stand by them, reminding them that mistakes are not dead ends. They are stepping stones to growth. In many cases, teachers become the first adult outside of the student's family who truly listen to them without judgment. They act as informal counselors, offering wisdom and perspective when students need it most. Sometimes, in moments of crisis, whether it's financial hardship, personal loss, or bullying, a teacher becomes a hero, providing support, connecting families to resources, or simply offering a safe space where a student feels seen and valued. At its heart, teaching is not just about transferring knowledge from one person to another person. It's about inspiring dreams. It's about helping each student discover their unique talents and giving them the tools and confidence to chase after what matters most to them. And now, let's move on to the impact of teachers. I want you to take just a few seconds right now to think back on your own time as a student. I'm willing to bet that there's at least one teacher you will never ever forget. Maybe it was your elementary teacher here in Butuan who noticed you struggling with reading and spent extra time after school with you, patiently helping you sound out words until the pages finally came alive. Or perhaps it was your high school social studies teacher who made history feel like story you were part of, sparking your interest in public service and community leadership. Maybe it was a technical education teacher who taught you skills like carpentry, sewing, or computer programming, skills that help you build a livelihood or discover a passion you never knew you had. That's the incredible power of a teacher. Their influence often extends far beyond the classroom walls and lasts long after graduation day. A single teacher can build confidence by recognizing strengths and celebrating efforts. Teachers help students believe in themselves and their ability to achieve great things. I've seen students who thought they were bad at math go on to pursue careers in accounting or engineering, all because a teacher showed them they had what it takes. Change attitudes. Teacher can turn a student's fear of a subject into genuine curiosity or transform a negative view of learning into a lifelong passion for discovery. They can also help students see the world in new ways, fostering empathy and understanding for people from different backgrounds. Second one is inspiring success. Look at any accomplished professional from doctors at our local hospitals in Bukidnon to engineers working on infrastructure projects across the Philippines, and you'll find someone who credits at least one teacher for setting them in their path. Many our country's leaders, artists, and innovators trace their success back to a teacher who believed in them. And the next one is redirect lives. For students facing difficult circumstances, poverty, trauma, or lack of opportunity, a caring teacher can be the turning point that helps them break cycles and build better futures. I've met former students who were at risk of dropping out of school, but went on to become teachers themselves, all because one educator refused to let them give up. If you choose teaching, you will have that same power to shape lives in ways you may never even get to see. You'll be planting seeds that will grow long after you move on to teach another class. And now, let's move on to advantages of choosing teaching. While the emotional and societal impact of teaching is undeniable, it's also important to recognize that this career offers practical advantages that make it a wise choice for anyone planning their future. First, job stability. Education is one of the most essential services in any society. Children and young people will always need to learn, and communities will always need qualified teachers to guide them. Even in times of economic change, the demand for dedicated educators remains strong, but here in the Philippines and around the world. In our region of Bukidnon, schools are constantly looking for passionate teachers to serve our growing communities. And second, diverse opportunities. Teaching doesn't limit you to one type of work or location. You can choose to work in public schools, private institutions, or specialized learning centers that focus on skills training or special education. You can teach young children just starting their learning journey, teenagers preparing for college or work, or adults looking to build new skills or finish their education, and for those who want to explore beyond our shores. Teaching English or other subjects abroad opens doors to experiencing different cultures while building a meaningful career. Third, continuous growth. The field of education is always evolving and teachers have endless opportunities to expand their knowledge and skills. You can attend professional development seminars to learn new teaching methods, pursue master's degree or doctoral studies to become an expert in your field, or move into roles like curriculum developer, guidance, counselor, or educational supervisor. Every year brings new technologies, new research on how people learn, and new ways to connect with students, so you'll never stop growing as a professional or as a person. And perhaps, most importantly, daily purpose. In many careers, it can be hard to see how your work makes a real difference day to day. But as a teacher, you'll witness the impact of your efforts every single time a student's eye light up with understanding, every time someone who overcomes challenge, and every time you help shape a young person's character and goals. And now let's move on to privileges and benefit in Philippines. Here in the Philippines, teachers are recognized as vital contributors to national development, and the government and society provide important privileges and benefits to support their work and well-being. Materials benefits include competitive compensation, regular salaries with yearly increments based on performance and tenure, ensuring financial security for you and your family. Teachers also receive additional pay for teaching in specialized areas or in remote schools. Second one is comprehensive government benefits, coverage under the Government Service Insurance System or GSIS for retirement, life insurance and affordable loans, PhilHealth for medical and hospitalization care, and Pag-ibig Fund for housing loans and savings programs. Addition financial support, bonuses like the mid-year and year-end benefits, as well as allowances for teaching supplies, transportation, and hardship post in areas where access to education is limited. Generous leave privileges, location vacation breaks during summer, Christmas, and other national holidays, giving you time to rest, recharge, pursue further studies, or spend quality time with loved ones. But beyond these tangible rewards, teachers in our country enjoy something even more valuable: deep respect and honor in society. The Filipino culture has long held educators in high esteem, recognizing them as bayani or heroes who build the foundation of our nation. They are trusted members of their communities, often called upon to lead local initiatives, mediate conflicts, and guide development efforts. From the annual World Teachers' Day celebrations to the genuine respect shown in homes, markets, and public spaces across Bukidnon and the rest of the Philippines, teachers are acknowledged for the critical role they play in shaping our country's future. And let's move on to the emotional reward of teaching. Let me share something that no job description or benefits package can ever fully capture: the profound emotional reward of teaching. Not all rewards in life are measured in money or material things. In fact, some of the greatest joys we can experience come from knowing we have made a positive difference in someone else's life. In teaching, the greatest rewards comes from watching your students grow, learn, and succeed. Imagine receiving a letter from a former student who is now working as a nurse at Bukidnon Regional Hospital, telling you, "Sir, thank you po. When I was in your class, I almost gave up because my family could not afford to send me to college. But you helped me apply for scholarships and never let me lose hope. Because of you, I'm now able to help other people too." Or picture running into a student at the market. Years later, they're now a parent and they introduce you to their child saying, "This is the teacher who taught me that I could be anything I wanted to be." That moment when you realize you have touched a life in a meaningful, lasting way is something no salary can replace. It fills your heart with purpose, gives meaning to every early morning spent preparing lessons and every late night helping students with their work, and reminds you why you choose this path. Teaching doesn't just provide for your own life, it enriches it beyond measure. Let's proceed to teachers as nation builders. Every successful persons you can think of, from our national heroes like Jose Rizal and Andres Bonifacio to today's leaders, from doctors who save lives to entrepreneurs who create jobs, started as a student sitting in a classroom. And beyond, almost every one of those students was a teacher who helped them unlock their potential. Teachers are the architects of our nation's future. They help shape they shape the leaders who will make decisions that affect all of us, the professionals who will build our infrastructure and care for our health, and the responsible citizen who will uphold our values and strengthen our communities. Without teachers, there would be no doctors to staff our hospitals here in Bukidnon, no engineers to build our roads and bridges in Bukidnon, and no leaders to guide our Philippines towards progress. When you become a teacher, you're not just building individual careers, you're building the future of our country. And let's proceed to why you should consider this path. The world needs passionate, dedicated teachers now more than ever. Our students are growing up in a fast changing world facing new challenges like technology's impact on daily life, climate change, and the need for greater understanding between cultures. They need guidance not just in academic subjects, but in values like honesty, compassion, and resilience. They need adults who will listen to them, challenge them to do their best, and help them become the best versions of themselves. That's someone who could you don't have to be perfect to be a great teacher. You just need to be willing to help guide and inspire. You just need to care about making a difference. So, as you think about your future and the career path you want to take, ask yourself these questions. Do I want a career that truly makes a difference? Do I want to inspire others to reach their full potential? Do I want to leave a lasting impact on my community and my country? If your answer is yes, then teaching might be the perfect path for you. Choose a career that gives meaning to your life. Choose teaching. Remember this: a good teacher teaches, a great teacher inspires. Be that great teacher. Thank you very much for listening, and may you find purpose and fulfillment in whatever path you choose.